Welcome to World's Knowledge Book. GK bits on Indian Constitution. Who had given the idea of Constitution for India first of all? M. Roy. June 3rd Plan was also known as the Mountbatten Plan. In India, the judiciary is independent. For the amendment of the Indian Constitution, there are three methods. How many articles and schedules in the Indian Constitution contains when it originally passed? 395 articles and 8 schedules. The fundamental rights granted to the Indian citizens are justiciable. The fundamental rights can be suspended during the emergency by President under Article 359. The fundamental duties have been included in Part 4A under Article 51A. Untouchability in any form has been declared as unconstitutional under Article 70. The 7 freedoms have been guaranteed to the Indian citizens under Article 19. How many fundamental duties have been mentioned in our Constitution? 10. Who made the Constitution of India? The Constituent Assembly. Under the Cabinet Mission Plan, the Constituent Assembly was to consist of 389 members. The party system in India can be described as multi-party. In Indian Constitution, the fundamental rights have been included in Part 3. From the Constitution of Canada, we have borrowed the scheme of our federation. The fundamental rights in our Constitution are inspired by the Constitution of USA. From which constitution we have borrowed the idea of the Preamble? USA. The cabinet system of Government of India is based upon the cabinet system as prevailing in UK. The Constituent Assembly met for the first time on December 9th, 1946. Please subscribe, like and share our channel World's Knowledge Book.